I was just browsing Pinterest for some bookmark design inspiration, and I came across something really unique. A calendar bookmark. Honestly, I've never seen one like this before, so I thought, why not try making it myself? First, I decided on the theme for this bookmark design. I was really drawn to a celestial theme. It's actually something I've never created before, so I did a bit of research first. I browsed Freepik and Pinterest to get a better idea of what a celestial theme really looks like, from the elements and fonts to the overall color palette. Once the bookmark design idea is ready, I jump straight into Canva. First, I create a canvas using my bookmark size. Then I start designing the front page, changing the background, adding decorative elements, and finally adding the year title, 2026. I place the title right in the center to make it the main focal point of the design. Next, I add another page for the back side of the bookmark. This is where I'm going to place the calendar. First, I change the page color to white to make everything easier to see and align. Then I go to File, click on Settings, and add Guides. I set the number of columns to 2 and make sure the column gap is set to 0. Then set the number of rows, and also keep the row gap at 0. This will help me position the calendar neatly later on. After that, I head over to the Elements tab, choose the Table option, and insert a basic table. I adjust the columns to 7 and rows to 6 to create the calendar layout. Next, open a website called timeanddate.com. Choose the 2026 calendar option, and the full calendar will appear on your screen. Simply copy the days and dates from the website. Then head back to Canva and paste them into the table we created earlier. Now, adjust the table size, text color, and font style to match your design. Then go to the table's advanced settings and reduce the spacing to the smallest number, which is 0.5. After that, open the border settings and remove the table borders. I personally prefer a clean, minimalist look, but if you like keeping the borders, that's totally fine too. Resize the table and place it in the top right corner. Then add a text box above the table to write the month name. Repeat this process until you've created all the months up to December. For this kind of calendar bookmark, you actually have 2 design options, 1 bookmark per month, or 1 bookmark for the entire year. Choose whichever format fits your style. I am going with the full year version on a single bookmark. To make sure everything is perfectly aligned, select all the calendars, click on Position, and choose Tidy Up. But before you do that, make sure to group each calendar together with its month title first. Now for my favorite part, decorating. I'm turning this into a celestial theme. First, I change the background color to match the front page. Then I adjust the font color so it contrasts nicely with the background and stays easy to read. After that, I start adding decorative elements to bring the celestial vibe to life. Here are the keywords and elements I'm using for this design.
And the design is finished. I also created 3 more calendar bookmark designs with different themes. You can check them out on my Ko-fi, available in PNG and print-ready PDF formats. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.